I'm making a beautiful big vanilla cake with chocolate buttercream this morning, both made with West Gold butter from my fridge. I'm starting off the week with a bang. It's actually my husband's birthday today. He's behind the camera right now, helping with my kids. Currently looking very pleased about the thought of this birthday cake. First step, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. My oven's going. We need 250 grams of West Gold butter I'm using, unsalted. I'm gonna cream this together now with some sugar. Put it into my bowl. This is creamed together. Now I'm going to mix in 4 eggs and 4 teaspoons I've got here of vanilla essence. It's vanilla cake, so we're going fairly heavy on the vanilla. It gives it a lovely flavour. Give that a quick mix too. I've got 3 cups of flour, in that goes, and 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to mix this in together with a cup of milk, and I'm just going to fold it round. You don't want to overmix here. This is all combined nicely and ready to add into the cake tins and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. The vanilla cakes have been cooking in the oven. They're here cooling on the rack, smelling delicious, ready to decorate. So into the bowl, I've got 230 grams of unsalted butter, West Gold, and we're going to beat this for a couple of minutes until it goes pale. So we'll just give this a really good beat for about 2 minutes. I've got 3 cups of icing sugar, and now I'm going to just add in about a cup at a time, and we'll give it a mix. It's looking nice and light in there. Now I've got ½ a cup of cocoa powder. Pour that straight in, and we'll mix that in too. In goes the vanilla and a little bit of milk. We'll just mix that through again, and then that's it. And ready to decorate. Just make sure the cakes are cold before you do this, and then I can surprise my husband. It's not much of a surprise because he's behind the camera, but he's going to be very pleased about it. Here is my finished vanilla cake with chocolate buttercream, both made with lovely West Gold butter.